everybody, welcome to Vibe Starlight. Today we have with us the articulate, the person with one of the highest fashion quotients and a curator for some of the largest and best fashion events, Mehul Suthar. Hello sir, thank you so
Hello
much.
everyone.
Sorry sir?
I was just saying hello to everyone
Oh,
whosoever is connected.
hello. And hello sir, thank you so much for joining Vibe Starlight and for your support.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. I didn't get your last sentence.
Yes. Thank you so much for joining Vibe Starlight and for your support.
It's my pleasure to join. Anything I am doing for fashion, it's my pleasure. I am very happy doing it.
Thank you so
Whatever
much.
connects.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. A little about Vibe. Vibe is an art curation platform for all of the artists. We also have an e-commerce where these artworks can be sold.
Okay.
So to get us started, what made Mehul Suthar enter the fashion industry?
In my, I can say, college days, I was feeling like I can be a model, and glamour world like attracted me a lot. So I had a dream to become a model or actor or both. I might, and I tried for it. After my graduation, I joined for my job in advertising industry, and then I went to Mumbai for audition, and I give 3 audition in a day, and all 3 I got rejected because of my height. My height is 5'8", 5'9", and they require models like male models. The height should be 5'11", 6 for ramp. So I got rejected in auditions. Then I tried few more auditions being there in Mumbai, but nothing went fruitful. So I came back to Baroda, and again I rejoined my job in advertising industry. After 2 to 3 years, there was a passion inside me for fashion. So in those 3 years also, I was following fashion, what trends are going on, what's happening on the fashion ends. And one fine day, I was there in Mumbai. I was staying in Grand Hyatt, and there was a fashion show happening in the same hotel, and I could manage the passes to go there and to become a viewer. I make a few friends there. I met few designers. While talking to them, like I find वो अंदर से जो मजा आने लगता है ना, I was finding it like more knowledgeable, because the major technical small details which I was not knowing, I was able to get them from those experienced designers. We became friends, and then I started visiting fashion weeks. Then see, as I could not become a model, but I wanted to be there in a fashion industry. I started writing about fashion articles for magazines, and like I got a break in La Fiesta, that is a Delhi-based magazine, Delhi-based fashion magazine. I used to write styling articles. I used to write the coverage of fashion weeks, and then I started interviewing Bollywood celebs also, and that's how I was getting progress one by one, step by step, and then I thought I should do something for my own city Vadodara, my state Gujarat, because Gujarat or like Vadodara and Gujarat के models इतने बाहर popular नहीं हैं, and fashion का scene यहाँ पे uh, compared to other states and other cities, here it's very less.
Yes.
इतना industry grow नहीं हुआ है. So I wanted to do something for them. I started looking for good people in modeling, some good designers whom I can support, and I can put them on a national platform through my articles in magazines. And I was getting good response from models. So I started taking them in fashion weeks. I made them see how fashion industry works, how the fashion weeks actually are. Here in Gujarat, if you say fashion show, uh, they they mix up the things. A contest they consider as a fashion show.
Yeah.
So there was a requirement to first clear the terms in people's mind,
Yes.
like what is fashion contest, what is beauty pageant, what is fashion show, what is fashion week, in fact.
Yes.
And then like awareness was already coming towards many mediums, and nowadays internet is easily available in phones. Earlier it was not. In our
Yes.
childhood days there was no phones, no internet, but nowadays it's there. So these kids who are coming up for modeling industry, for designing industry, they are well aware. So it's become easier, and then I started taking people from here in fashion weeks.
Yes.
Again here, Vadodara media and Gujarat media also supported me a lot for my initiatives. So they were publishing articles about me. I'm taking models from here, I'm giving them platform, and that's how more and more people were knowing about me here in Vadodara and Gujarat. And then people used to call me for jury in their beauty pageants. I had done many juries in Gujarat and even in Delhi, Hyderabad, Nepal. And my basic motto was also the similar to your thing, to give a platform uh, to this upcoming models, upcoming designers, to give them a guidance and to make to put them in a proper place where they can grow, where they can show their talent, where they can meet other people
Yes.
who can guide them better, who are seniors in the field. So that's what the story was.
Well, sir, I really absolutely love your work.
Thank you.
So, what is the best experience in fashion you have had?
Best experience in fashion was, I'll say, Rajasthan Fashion Week, season three. That was 5 days fashion week, and it was on a very huge scale.
Yeah.
The Fairmont Hotel, Fairmont Jaipur was booked for the
Yes.
fashion week, and it was a 5 day fashion week. So every day new designers were showcasing their collection. So there was opportunity to see different kind of designs, different kind of like variations in
Yeah.
designs. If there are ethnic garments, so there are variations in ethnics also. If there
Yes.
are Western garments, so there are variations, because every designer has their own unique taste to make garments, and
Yes.
they have designed in a different theme. So it was knowledgeable for me and other designers also. There are a lot of models, a lot of supermodels even. There were many show directors, because it was a huge show, so one show director could not complete it. So there are many show directors. So meeting them, gathering a knowledge of from different aspects. You see, everybody is working on from the different perspectives.
Yes.
Uh, like every show director has their own creativity to make their sequence. Like ethnic sequence है तो उसको ऐसे form करना है. It will look
Huh.
more creative. They were using props, where they are using props. Yeah, in the on the ramp. So how they are making models walk, कहाँ कितना pause दे रहे हैं. So there are technicalities to everything.
Yes.
So like I am a person who talks a lot. Ask many questions to many people. Like this, I can go and ask also, like why you are using this white color, why you are using this particular prop here.
Okay.
So it was knowledgeable. Yeah, some of them were like shouting on me also because I was disturbing their work. But yeah, it's fine. I can understand they were working under pressure and I
Yeah.
was disturbing. But yeah, it was knowledgeable. And I suggest every upcoming people they should go visit this kind of events so they can
Yes.
gather knowledge by seeing itself, by viewing also. ये
Absolutely.
लोग ऐसा क्यों, हाँ, क्वेश्चंस जब आएंगे जब आप देखोगे और वो क्वेश्चंस अगर आपके माइंड में होंगे आप किसी को पूछोगे तो आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगा। मे बी ऐसी कोई चीज आपके सामने रिवील हो जो आपने कभी तक देखी ना हो, सोची भी ना हो।
Yes,
So there are
absolutely.
many chances to learn.
Absolutely, absolutely, sir. So, sir, you are a fashion blogger, a show director, a pageant jury, and a fashion designer. What attracts Mehul
Yeah.
Sitar the most as an art?
As an art, see, designs attract me the most. When a part, see, I work with advertising company. So designs are the integral part of my life, I'll say. Now I'm a costume, yeah, I'm a fashion designer, so I'm designing costume. But in my day-to-day life, there are many kind of, we are into communication design. So we are designing publications, we are designing websites, we are designing advertisements,
Yes,
we are designing hoardings. So yeah, designs attracts me the most, I'll say. And I used to experiment. I love to adapt new things, new
yes.
culture, new trends.
So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming trends?
Upcoming trends.
Yes,
See, trends. There are many trends coming. If you are following abroad fashion,
yes,
so they are more into say casuals, party wears, and but, uh, but I am very much Indian. You can call me Desi also, but I always get attracted by Indian designs, Indian costumes because we have variety of
yes,
cultures in India. So in South you might find uh, Kanjivaram silk sari and a
yes,
lady with a white tika. They use more of floral ornaments, uh,
yes,
fresh flower ornaments.
yes,
Uh, in North, you will find gaudy things. If you go Punjab, you will find bright color suits, dark color lipsticks.
yes.
Uh, so I my taste is more Indian in designs. And I love colors. I love to experiment and mixing up colors. I love to merge colors and merge colorful cloths and make different kind of art piece. You will
Yes.
say.
Well, Indian
Whenever
designs
I
are,
had, whenever I had been invited to INFD or NIFT
yes,
shows, uh, I leave everything and go and visit their annual shows because they showcase their students' designs and they are theme based
yes,
and they come up with something new and I always love to see हम लोग तो बूढ़े हो गए हैं but yeah हो सकता है कि जो आ रही है generation the youth is coming up with some new excellent ideas which never
yes.
came across our mind.
Absolutely. And Indian designs are my favorite also. I really love them. They are like the colors, the patterns, they're beautiful.
Yeah, they are beautiful. I love prints even. I am very much fond of this batik prints, block prints, tie
Yes,
and dye.
kinda, yes.
Yeah.
So, would you integrate these trends into your shows?
I didn't get you. Come
Uh,
again.
yeah. Would you integrate these trends into your shows?
Yes, obviously I do. I already had made uh, this kind of designs like prints,
Yes,
uh, Georgette. No, not Georgette. Is prints. I have prints can go with
yes,
female more. This batik prints, block prints. So
yes,
I've used in my female Indian garments, and I'm designing more of men ethnics.
yes,
So men's ethnic are more of this royal garment. So in
Yeah.
men's, I cannot experiment more, but yeah, in female garments, I apply this techniques. I apply prints. I apply this different kind of work, tie and dye, this Jardosi work, Indian hand work a
Yes.
lot. Even in men's kurta, I have done with this Kutchi handwork, Kutchi prints in the
Yes.
waistcoats and kurtas. Yeah.
You also have MS verticals. Can you describe them for us?
Sorry.
You also have MS verticals. Can you describe them for us?
Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have opened a modeling school recently in Vadodara.
Yeah.
It will come on the platform after government gives permissions to open the schools. Like
Yeah.
once we launched in the March on 25th, and due to this COVID, the government is not
Yes.
giving permissions. And yeah, even I want to I want to play safe. I cannot take risk with my health or anyone else's health. So MS is basically a Mehul Suthar. MS you can call modeling school, models for shows, models for shoots. So
Yeah.
these are my verticals, and we will be training upcoming models. We will provide them work platforms. I'm already providing work to my own fashion team, but I want to reach to more people. I want to see whosoever wants to learn and grow.
Yes.
We will put them on a national platform so they can actually see what is fashion, how fashion field
Yes.
works, and they can grow up in the field. I would love to see. I am a very desi person. uh, मुझे मेरे बड़ोदरा का नाम, गुजरात का नाम नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे सुनना है कि मेरे सिटी के
Absolutely.
लोग, मेरे स्टेट के लोग इतना प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
I'll be more
Absolutely.
happy to do that.
Well, absolutely, sir. So, sir, you have been featured in many magazines as well. What are your thoughts on being
Yeah.
featured, such as this?
See, I love to share knowledge. I love to connect people. So I'm very happy.
Sir, what is the one thing you'd like to say to all of our artists and viewers out there?
See, all the artists, for artists, I'll say your art is a God gift, right? Not everyone is
Yes.
having it, and we can improve it by our own efforts. Uh, आज ही मैंने अपने पेज पे डाला था कि एक ही दिन का ये प्रोसेस नहीं है. इट्स अ लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. प्रैक्टिस रोज करना है, कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखोगे प्रैक्टिस करते से.
Absolutely.
And yeah, all the artists are art is God gifted, so I respect everyone, and everybody will excel. See, आपको पता नहीं है कि आपका आर्ट पीस कहाँ से कौन देखेगा और आप लाइमलाइट में आओगे. You never know. I'll tell you the experience yesterday. One of my friends from Vadodara, he shifted Mumbai 2 years back, and he was struggling for auditions, and now he got a role in Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai in a lead,
Wow.
and it is episodic serial, and he got
Yeah.
so many episodes to shoot, and now he will
Yes.
be the star. So
Wow.
no one knows when somebody is looking at you, somebody is looking at your work. So give your best shot every day, every time, and yeah, be connected with your fans, followers, and take reviews from them, because nobody is perfect. Even I take reviews from my people, like how I write. If I'm writing a fashion blog, I show, before publishing it, I show it to 2 3 different people. What is their take on it? What are they getting from it? So if there is any mistake, I can improve in that.
Yes.
So improvisation is always there, and every day is a new opportunity to learn many things.
Absolutely.
So keep it up.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that message, sir. You really inspire us, and we really love your designs and your work.
Thank you so much. I'm very I highly obliged to come on this platform and sharing my
Thank
views.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And one thing I would like to ask to you, sir, what do you think about the white
Yeah.
platform?
platform is you're providing a good platform to everyone come up with their own arts, own skills,
Yes.
and see for everyone platform is required. So मेरे लिए तो ये है कि कोई भी platform देने वाला बंदा है he is superior, he or she is superior. I salute them.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you for supporting my platform and by coming on to our Vibe Starlight chat. We really had like fun talking with you and learning more from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, stay connected,
Thank
stay
you.
safe.
You too, sir. Thank you.